Say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming?
This for the kids who believe they can never do it. This for the ones too scared to try. This is the moment you step up and own it, holding your head right to the sky. This is my story, my blood and my tears, my sweat and devotion, my dreams and my fears. I know I can make it, I feel it, it's near. This is the year, this is my year. Heartbreaks and breakthroughs, mistakes through high school. In the hardest times I stay cool, even if I felt miserable. So I'm giving it all, I got nothing to lose. Chasing a dream, you said I would lose. I lost friends, I lost love too. I'm on the journey, I'm finding the truth. Pursuing my dreams, pursuing my calls. I'm risking it all, I fly or I fall. No matter the outcome, I'll give it my all. Cause I started from nothing, yeah, nothing at all. Not for the money, the love, or the fame, but for the chance for you to hit play. Hear what I say, see me be great, and I'll show you how a heart breaks. Addicted to love and I hate it, cause maybe I feel like you'll break it. You've done it before we dated, now my love to you is outdated. Cause remember the time you looked in my eyes and you told me that you love me? I bet you said the same thing when you were drunk at some dude's party. Can you feel every word, can you feel all my pain? Yeah, I know, I bet you feel nothing. Yet I feel all the strain, you can call me insane, but I know for real we have something. But enough with the stress, I'ma leave it to rest. Even if you did rip my heart from my chest, wish you the best even if I'm a mess. But just know this, I'm never coming back. Cause I know things never stay the same. Love comes and it never stays. Best friends always seem to change. So I'm picking up the pieces, I'm putting down the past. Moms, you know I got you, I'ma pay every single cent back. Give you the life that I think you deserve. Bring my team up from the ground off the dirt. Picked up a pen and I spilled out a verse. Maybe this time it might really work, cause I'm getting impatient, I'm not gonna lie. Hands in my pocket, my head to the sky. Got no wings, but I'm destined to fly. Open my eyes and I'm ready to try, cause I know what it's like to be left behind. I know what it's like to give up inside. Alone in my room every night, I write what it's like to put all of that on the side. I don't do it for me, I just do it for you. Give me your ears and I'll give you my two. You're part of my team and just know that that's true. This my year, no it's yours too. Putting the fears and the lies I'm behind, I'm finding myself trying to live life right. Relieving the anger I built up inside, like finding the light in the darkest of nights. For the kids who believe they can never do it, for the ones too scared to even try. This is the moment you step up and own it. These are the times to feel alive. So give me your heart and I'll give you mine too. Tell me your problems, I'll show you my wounds. Show me your tears and I'll drop down a few. Happiness is what we pursue, but I'm chasing a dream and I'm chasing the truth. Looking for love and I found it in you. Built up a team and we're ready to move. Ready to win and we're ready to lose. But no matter the outcome, we do this for you. Give me your hand and we'll make it there soon. Life is just one beautiful view. We'll eventually get there, this is the pursuit. This is the pursuit. This is the pursuit. It's 7B.